What's up, everyone? Today we have this, the Sennheiser Massdrop HD58X. It's a pair of open back headphones, and they are a different model, but comparable to the HD6XX, which I also have. And I haven't opened this before, so it's the first time I'm opening the box. And we're also going to compare it to the HD6XX in terms of appearance. As for sound, that is subjective, so there are people with better descriptions to do this. As such, this video is just an unboxing. Is that plastic or metal? Can't tell. The grills. Got a bit of swivel, that's good. Alright, so Sennheiser there. HD58X. There we go. Got gray colored grills. Detachable cables using the same Sennheiser plug. Plastic along the bottom has a texture compared to the smooth finish on the hangers. And that's really all you get in the box. I'm not lying. Like that's really it. There's nothing hidden underneath. There isn't anything else. You mainly just get the headphones and the instruction manual. Nothing in the top. That's really it. So if you're expecting a grand unboxing experience, that's not it. You're here for that. You're here for these. I believe they're 150 ohms of. Oh, it's right here. I don't need to unfold it. Yep, 150 ohms impedance. Also, well, yeah. 104 decibels sensitivity, or as they call it, sound pressure level at 1 kilohertz at 1 volt RMS. And here are the HD6XX. I've had them for a couple years now already. Its slightly more expensive counterpart at average 220, 240, maybe even 260. Ranges around that price. They often run sales that make it slightly cheaper. I think the cable's longer on this one, if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe, no, it's the same length, never mind. So the same cable, even the same 3.5 to 1/4 inch adapter. And here's how much adjustment you get. Quite a lot. So it can fit people with many different sizes of heads. So there's the unboxing. It's really plain and simple. You just get the headphone, an adapter, and of course a cable, and the instruction manual. And here it is compared to the HD6XX, which is well, again, more pricey. You can see more of it as you inside. This one you can't. If you look closely under the light, the Sennheiser 6XX is actually very, very dark blue, almost black. But this one is actually true black in terms of color. In terms of like the trim color. There you go. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.